What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and that's because I bought a new house, and this is going to be the new garage. And as you guys can see, the garage actually needs a lot of work, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do with it just yet, but I know I want to install a ceiling and an aircon because I was sweating my ass off in the previous garage. I also want to paint the walls and install a few extra lights. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy right now because I don't have the funds for that just yet, but maybe in future I will be doing epoxy flooring and install a whole bunch of tool cabinets. But for now, I want to get the garage good enough to just start working on the motorcycles again. You guys are probably wondering where the motorcycles are, and I put them in the house for now just so that I have some space to work in the garage while I'm getting it ready. I also have this small space in here, which is nice because I'll be putting all my parts and merch in here, and I have a toilet behind that door, so now I don't need to run through the whole house when I need to poop. This video was not meant to be a long video. I just wanted to give everyone an update on what's going on and that I didn't stop recording. I also wanted to start removing the shelves and cabinets off of the walls and maybe the lights, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I did everything I wanted to do in this video, and I'm not quite sure what I'll be doing in the next one. But before I get started, if there's any company out there that would like to sponsor the channel with any equipment or tools, I will leave my email address in the description below. And I want to give a huge thank you to all of my existing patrons. You guys help keep this channel alive, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. If you are not yet a Patreon supporter and you would like to support the channel, I will leave the link in the description below. You can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins, and don't forget to subscribe. It is completely free. Until next time, remember to stay positive and be visible. Peace out.